ang problema niyan, we have this debate that government exempted from putting up structures along fault lines. Nagtataka ako, if it's a fault line, if the property is private and it can kill persons, how come gobyerno na building cannot kill persons? If that's the logic. Kasi na-exempt eh. But it sits on about a few meters, it's a ridge actually. It's not, it's almost a crevasse actually. Pag ganun. Malalim eh. Sabi ng mga engineers, mga ilang movements pa to, mahuhulog na to. And I will not risk. Something happens if I complete it, ganon, ragtag structure. Tapos may event doon, may nangamatay, tapos ako ang sisihin. Wag sa akin. It would not be fair. Pero yan talaga ang nagsasayang, nagbabayad tayo na wala. Million. And yet these people are complaining about mga ganun. Yung garbage bins, I assure you, it's an international company. It's known as Schaefer. It builds everything from trucks. Kasi yung bins na yan, hindi naman na kukutin niya ng ganun sa baba eh. There's a fork and it lifts the bins and tatapon niya, tapos ibabalik niya. Ganon yan. Plus we have the first landfill. Kung makita mo, talagang maganda. And it cost us millions. Land bank. Pero sa aking panahon, I borrowed money from land bank. Kayo ko kailangan bayaran eh. Kasi pag hindi ko bayaran yung land bank, hindi na ako makakautang. Now, if I rely on the income of the city to build all of these things, I cannot because limitado. Kumbaga, ang kita ko, madala ko doon sa disposable income ko, ganun lang. Di magsabi yung mga anak ko, magbili tayo ng, let's buy a car, or a refrigerator, or a household appliance. Then I have to go to the lending institutions or buy it in mortgage it. Ngayon, kung hindi ko bayaran lang bank, hindi ako makahiram ng pera. So, binabayaran ko yung land bank and have a good credit. So, pinapautang ako. Sabi nila yung park. Early on, sabi ni Nograles, it's wallowing in corruption. So, what did I do? I went on leave, asked the ombudsman, asked the court to conduct an audit. Sabi ko, sige. Papalayo ako. So, for 1 month, remember?
Yes.
I took a leave of absence for 1 month. To allow the investigators to go in and investigate. And to investigate the government workers. Unhampered, unmolested. Para walang masabi. Pagkalabas ng COA. Kaya kung ano lang masabi nila, ganun, sige lang, ganun ng ganun, ganun ng ganun. And yet, ito sinugurali sa report, the irony of it all, is he lifted yung portion doon sa sa COA report na hindi ko raw na-account yung 2.9 billion. Sabi ko sa COA, ano yung yawa? Sorry. Ano yan? Ba't ko, kasi kung magnako ako ng 2.9, saan ko ilagay? Doon sa katedral ni Pastor? Pagkasayan doon? So, wala akong pera. Unlike Nograles, wala akong cash advances. I don't, hindi ko ginagawa yan. Mag-cash advance tapos mag-liquidate. Alam ko, diyan ka matigok eh. Ay, nako. Pero polo. So sabi na, yung accounts ko, yung accounting ko, yung libro ko sa accounting, ganun din sa kanya. If you access doon sa COA, Philippine COA, meron dito.
Audit report.
Audit report ng COA. Doon niya kinuha. Doon ko rin kinuha yung kanya. Anak ng mas malaki yung kanya. Kasi malaki ang Congress eh. And you will have to account also the equipments that were bought so many. Ako, Davao City was created by virtue of Commonwealth Act 51. Okay? And it was inaugurated 1936. ang Davao City. Gusto ng COA, nangikinig man sila ngayon, COA wants me to put up my accounting books in order. How can I do that? I can answer for the money and equipments I acquired during my term. Nandyan eh. Nandyan yung Carbis, nandyan yung plaza, pinupuntahan ng tao. Yung Sudyum noon, I started it, nandyan. Actually, ito, Pastor, you've been to LA for so many times. Ang Davao, sa taas yung parang LA, spreading ang Sudyum. Yung gaya ng New York na yung it's cluttered. Ang Davao, it's vast kasi ang Davao, sprawling eh. Ang LA kasi ganon sprawling. Pag kita mo na, maglanding ka sa LA, makita mo, kala mo Davao. No, kasi nakaganon eh. Spread yung Sudyum. When we started with Sudyum, I was questioned at that time. Bakit ko daw binili ng ganon na mahal? Eh sabi ko, I want my city different from the others. Or if that is my only motive, do you want to put me to prison? O saan yan? Kita mo, na kompleto. So it's beautiful. We're the only city using Sudyum. Hindi tayo nagmagamit ng big time tayo, Adre. Sudyum talaga. Mas ulay kwarta. Ganon, 911. Kino-question na. Sabi ko sa question. 911, wala ka makita sa akin na initiative of Duterte. Yung park, wala kang makita, this is the initiative of the... You do not even see my name. What you see there is the name of the guys who spent for it. People's Park.